Welcome to Investment Talk Only with Johnny Ruiz. It's time to get to the money. It's Investment Talk Only. If you say you
Yo, what up, what up, what up? Welcome to Investment Talk Only. This is your boy, Johnny Ruiz. I'm without my co-host, Monique, today. She's out doing leisurely things. It's New Year's Eve. By the time you guys hear this, it would have already been the New Year's ball would have been dropped. It's New Year's Day. So how you doing? So just want to take this show to just wrap up 2020. Just to recap what we did, recap what the stock market did, and see what we could do going forward, right? So let's review the markets, right? For 2020, right? Horrible year. So surely the markets did bad, right? Surely. Horrible year. So as of today, 4 o'clock when the stock market closed, we got the NASDAQ, which is heavy in tech, which, you know, here at Investment Talk Only, we like tech companies. We think tech is the future, obviously. NASDAQ up 43.6%. Best performance since 2009. Okay? That's right after the 2008, crash, the financial crisis. S&P 500 up 16.3%. And the Dow up 7.3%. So, I think there's a good lesson to learn here. Let's say you got out of your investments. You saw everything dip when COVID happened. Say you just got out. You literally would have closed all your positions and took a loss. Now, if you would have stayed in those positions, just look at the chart for a year, 2020. You will see that you would have made more money. All right, you would have made more money. Even better, say you were a savvy investor and you just know better because 100% of the time, each stock market crash that comes in, 100% of the time we recover. So say you were a savvy investor and was like, man, this is a buying opportunity. Because you got to think about it when you see red days and, you see stocks going down, the stock market going down in general, you got to think of it like a sell at a store. So when you go to Target, Walmart, and you see a sale going on, what do? We're the first ones at that clothing rack. First one in the store getting that sale. I know my wife does Bath and Body Works. Every year, candle sale. She goes there. She's the first one. So basically, we open up our wallets. So we got to think of the stock market the same way. We got to open up our wallets when these companies are on sale. So when they're red, you need to be buying more. If you know it's a good company, if it's Apple or something like that, you're getting it for a discount. So in this case, if you would have bought a lot of great stocks that we all know and love, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, you name it, bought as it was going down, especially in March when it was at its bottom, you would have made so much money. You would have made a lot of money, and a lot of people made a lot of money in 2020. Horrible year, right? A lot of people made a lot of money. So, this year, I've been investing for a while. I was a financial advisor for Merrill Lynch. Got my Series 7, got my Series 66. Passed a few levels on the CFA exam. If you don't know what the CFA exam is, it's Chartered Financial Analyst, one of the hardest financial / investment tests in the world. Well, it's one of the hardest tests in the world, period, regardless of the topic. Been investing for a while, got into day trading, and been pretty good on the investment side and trading side. And what I got to do was get financially free, meaning that I made enough money to replace my career income with an MBA from Maryland. So the career I got with an MBA from the University of Maryland, go Terps, I got to replace that income from the market. This is the power of the market. This is the power of investing. And it allowed me to be my own boss, which I want everybody to do. It's pretty nice. I mean, everything you do when you're your own boss, all the productivity and energy directly benefits you and your family. So that's what's cool about it. And then I decided I want to make a podcast helping people learn about investing, because I wanted to do the same thing, especially for people where generations of families go through the same cycle of being poor and just being poor and not learning. And a lot of us, people that look like me, many of us, that we think we need to work our whole lives and save and hope that we can retire. And that's not the case. So I really want to get us out that mind frame where saving is great. Saving is not great, because you got to save all your money and it's not going to grow. In fact, it's going to lose value over time because of inflation. Inflation is about 2 to 3% a year. That means the value of $100 is not going to be the same $100 next year. It's not going to be able to buy the same stuff. So you need to invest it. You need to grow. So one, you need to beat inflation, and two, you need enough to grow for retirement. It's a mindset thing that we got to get out of it and start investing. And really, I want people to take some action steps, like as you watch right now. If you don't have an investment account, you need to make one right now. You should make one. Even if you don't have money to put in, at least you know it's there. And whenever you're ready to pull the trigger, you have it there. Make an investment account. Go to E-Trade, TD, Ameritrade, Merrill Lynch, whatever you want. Not Robinhood, but anything else. All right? Just take an action step right now. It takes 15 minutes. You could be doing it right now as you're talking to me. Actually, speaking of that, please hit the like button. Please hit the like button on this video. I will appreciate it. And subscribe to us as well, because it helps. It matters. All right. So what do? We started Investment Talk Only. We started October 1st. I am going to get to Stock of the Week today as well. So don't worry. Stock of the Week is coming. All right. So we made a few shows. So we started Investor Talk Only, and it was because we wanted to, like I said, get people to start investing. And a lot of people say, man, I don't even know where to start. So literally, that's where we started. We walked you guys through first the mindset of stop saving and start investing. We started with guns and butter. Stop buying, cars, shoes, stuff, or whatever. That doesn't matter. That's not going to appreciate. Buy stocks, bonds, stuff that's going to appreciate. Artwork, whatever. So even to get, so you decided to get the mindset, right? This is through our episodes. This is how we walk you through. We could create a budget so you can afford to even invest. That was the next episode. All right. The next episode was open a brokerage account. We walked you through how to open a brokerage account, so you can never say, I don't even know where to start. We're doing that for you, all right? Let's see it. So say next episode, say stock market is just not your thing. Say you want to invest in real estate. I got an expert on real estate to come in and talk about how to invest in real estate, how to get started. Provided with that, let's see here. We're probably got an episode on how the stock market works, what it is, and how it works. So now you could go in, knowing what it is. Then say, still, if you're not interested in the stock market, maybe you're interested in this thing called Forex, foreign exchange. You got an expert on here to talk about foreign exchange. It's investment talk only. Doesn't matter what the investment is, as long as you're investing. We got a Forex expert to come here and talk about how to get started in Forex. Pretty cool. Okay, so we go on, talk about trading. So we taught you technical analysis. So there's fundamental analysis and there's technical analysis and there's quantitative analysis, but we'll get to that. We taught you how to read charts and learn technical analysis to get started, to get your good entry points on a stock. All right. Then just to end the year, I gave you guys a formula. So you guys don't have to do a lot of work on how to beat the stock market. So there's no excuse. So, I mean, we're just getting started. So that's the cool thing. So all of these are in our videos. So all separate episodes, go ahead and watch them. Invaluable. All right. So I do want to encourage everybody to take action. Take action. Like I said, just open a brokerage account. So I don't know if you guys could hear the fireworks, but it's a few hours from New Year's. So I don't know if you guys hear the fireworks, but that's what that is. All right. Take action. The reason why I want you to take action, everybody has to start somewhere. So there's no shame in saying, I don't know what to do. I think a lot of people get caught up on that. I don't know what to do. I don't want to seem stupid. Everybody has to start somewhere. It took me hours and hours and hours and months and years to get to this point, and I'm still learning stuff every day. And I always find somebody that knows more than me. And I know I'm an expert. So there's no shame of just getting started right now. It doesn't matter, how old you are or what your profession. All right. So the thing is, taking action is you don't want to get left behind. You do not want to get left behind. And the way we're going, me and people that I mingle with, we're taking off. We're taking off. You don't even have to take my word for it. You can talk to the people around me. I mean, the stock market, just gives returns like nothing that I've ever seen before. All right. Take action. You do not want to get left behind. You don't want to, in a few years, be like, man, I wish I would have done that. I would rather you do it. And I have nothing to sell. I literally don't even have anything to sell to you. Just information. Just give you information. I'm not selling it. So I have no benefit in this. All the benefit is to you. I'd rather you say that I tried it and it just didn't work out versus, damn, man, look at these people that invest in the stock market. They're still showing their returns. And then the thing is that it compounds. So all the money that we made is just compounding. It's a lot of money. All right. So take action. Don't get left behind. So 2021, investment talk only. So at least 2 more segments coming. Could be more. I don't want to give it away, but So we have the longer episodes. We have the medium length explainers. We're gonna keep those. The reason why I like those is you get more in depth conversation, which I want to get people comfortable with having conversations about investing within the episodes. So you have more conversation within the episodes, but you get a lot of gems. But the explainers get in depth with what we're trying to learn. Like basically, I walk you through it, and then now we're gonna get even more quicker segments, and it's gonna get like bam, like nice little tidbits. So if you don't have time to watch the the longer ones, we'll give you that. So it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be really cool. So 2021, it's gonna be a good year. It's gonna be a good year for the stock market, but it's not gonna be the same. I don't think the returns are gonna be as high. I think tech should be still leading the way. But as far as traders, I think a lot of traders are gonna get their head blown. Meaning a lot of traders, because stuff went up so fast and exponentially, they didn't have to learn the patterns and the techniques and stuff. They just bought pretty much anything and it went up. But 2021 is not gonna be like that. They really gonna have to rely. I mean, if they learned it, on their skill, and the ones that actually did the work and learned the patterns and stuff like that, the charts. As far as traders, not investors, they're gonna have more reliable patterns that they're gonna be able to execute better. And then, like I said, the other ones just get their head blown off, unfortunately. So you got to do your work. You can't just get it going there blindly. Okay. And that's it. I just want to wrap 2020 up. Get ready for 2021. But people, we just got to take action. We just got to do it. There's no shame. Everybody has to start somewhere. There's no shame. So 2021, and you don't even have to get it from me. You don't have to get the information from me. You can go and listen to anybody. Just get the information from somewhere and do something. Work towards something. But working 9 to 5 every day and just saving is not good. There's a saying that says, if you have only one stream of income, that's too close to zero. It's too close to zero streams of income. So, we're working towards financial freedom. Like if you want to, work a 9 to 5, that's nothing wrong with that. But the thing is, like, do you have to work a 9 to 5? Do you have only one stream of income? I think there would be something wrong with that, in my opinion. You want to give yourself the best opportunity to do whatever you want and just live life. Like, I know me and my friends, we just live life like because of the stock market and taking advantage of it. Like we literally don't have anything that we're obligated to do, and it's pretty cool. So we literally just wake up and live life. My wife just wakes up and live life. That's pretty cool. And I want my friends and family to do the same thing. So yeah, I just want to wrap up 2020. Let's get to the stock of the week. So I got two because these are all on my list. So all the ones I gave you before on my list, I already gave it to you. So if you don't know the stock of the week, go ahead and listen to the other ones. These last two are like finishing the list. And then I have more for 2020 that are still going to be solid, but these are like the top ones. All the ones I gave and then these two. So these ones are XLK and SMH. Those are both ETFs. ETFs, if you don't know, you have an individual stock that you could buy, like say like a Microsoft, and then you have an ETF where you could buy a bunch of stocks in one share. It's an ETF. It's an exchange traded fund. So it's a fund of individual stocks. So XLK has a little bit of Apple in it. It's a tech ETF. A little bit of Apple, a little bit of Microsoft, a little bit of Visa, a little bit of a lot of tech companies. All right. Like I said, tech is leading the way. They've been leading the way for a while, but it doesn't look like it's going to change. XLK is an ETF for tech. Stock of the week. All right. If you don't have enough money to buy Apple and Microsoft and Visa and I forgot what else is in there in the video. I don't know. Forgot. Sorry. You probably would have enough to buy the ETF of it. If you can't buy it individually, you could buy the ETF. Go look it up. Yahoo Finance, just type in XLK and you'll see all the holdings at the bottom. And then SMH, which is semiconductor ETF. So semiconductors, these are companies that are chip makers for your computers, tech, and they're doing next level stuff. Like they're getting ready for everything being integrated. This is not the semiconductor, but Apple working on the eyeglass where you have apps on your glasses and you can interact with them and click on them in the air. And then the semiconductors like NVIDIA, where they're trying to, connect the whole city, like the traffic lights, has AI in it, so it could read the traffic to make traffic flow better. Stuff like that. I mean, stuff like that is happening right in front of your eyes. Countertops are made of glass, but it's really a screen, so you can, interact with apps on the microwave, on the countertop of your kitchen, in the mirror of your bathroom. All that stuff that happens. It's tech. Tech is doing all that stuff. So semiconductor chips, especially with all the work from home and school, mobile schools or whatever, online schools. Online schooling. These chip companies are making the computers that are supporting that. So SMH, XLK, stock of the week. All right, I'm wrapping up. I'm about to go hang out with my family and celebrate 2020 being over with. 2021 was good. 2022, man, shoot. Adios. All right, this is Investment Talk Only. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You could go ahead and dislike if you want. That's cool. But if you do, just let me know how, we can improve. Until next year, peace.
Show me the money. Investments are only. We keeping it coming. We keeping it coming. Show me the money. Investments are only.